Hello guys, how are you? Okay, so after a long time I'm back to create videos for you again. Actually, I have been so busy with projects, so I could not have time for you. Now I'm back again. So in this video I'm going to show you how can we read and write file in Python. I would like to request you, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so you will not miss my new videos. Okay, let's start. Create a code file first. My file, we will use open function. Test.txt w plus. Okay, this will create test.txt file. If file is not existing, it will create a new file. Okay, let's write some data to it. Carriage return and new line. Let's create two more lines. I think 3 lines are enough. Let's execute the code. Let's check. Okay, so it created a text file for us, test.txt. Let's verify its content. Test.txt. Okay, we have 3 lines, you can see here. Now I will show you how can we read file. Nano read.py. My file, again we will use open function. Test.txt. now with R directive, this will open file only for reading. Okay, so we have various way to read file content. Let me show you one by one. First, if we want to read whole file, we will simply read whole file here. My file dot read. Read function will return whole content. Let me show you. Python 3 read.py. Okay, read function returned all the content in one go. Now let me show you how can we read line by line. Let's read first line. Print my file dot read line. We will simply use read line. This will return first line. Okay, let's check. You can see it returned first line. We can also read second and third line simply by print my file dot read line and print my file read line. Let's see. You can see it returned all 3 lines. On each print read line, it move cursor to the next line. We knew that we have just 3 lines, but what if we have a unknown number of lines in a file? Then we will use a loop. We will go through a loop. Let me show you how. Okay, let's create a for loop. For line in my file. Simple, very simple. Okay, so print my file. It should return all the lines. Python 3 read.py. Let me see. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, we have to use line, obviously. You can see here it returned all the lines. Let's put more lines and then we will verify if it's returning all the lines. Nano pyfile dot py. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will release more better videos soon. Now our text file should have 5 lines. Let's verify. Okay, you can see we have 5 lines now. Let's run the read file program. Okay, you can see for loop return all the 5 lines we have in the file. Okay guys, we end this video here. In next video I will continue with Flask. I will show you how can we create a whole site with Flask. I will create a simple website with Flask, and then we'll continue to Django and other frameworks. In Python we use Flask and Django. Besides Python, I will also create videos on PHP and JavaScript with Node.js, React and Vue.js, if you heard of it. So I will create a very useful video soon. I just have some problem with time, but I will not forget you, don't worry. So goodbye guys, see you in next video. Thank you.